What's up, my people? Like, today's update is going to be very fast and very straightforward right here. So now today is 20th of September, and that's the day they did a snapshot for Hamster Kombat, and this is going to be a wonderful video, guys. So I'm going to take you straight to my Telegram channel and see the new update that we are seeing right here on the game. Now you can see, let me close it and come back, right? So you can see I'm going to just go over Hamster Kombat again, so you know this a new one. Click on play. I'm going to open this right here, so you can see it's saying season 1 is over. We are calculating your results. They will be ready soon, and this and stuff like that. So now, guys, when you come in here, you can see everything is in line. Everything is in line. Now you can see right here on the airdrop session, it's saying your option deposit to be disabled. Okay, option deposit to be disabled by this time simply means you should start connecting your wallet before this time or elapses. Connect your wallet for this time elapses. Now if you come over to end, you can see right here, I really did not claim many of all this, so because they automatically were showing already I have claimed them and stuff like that. I do not know how, so but I guess since they are clicked already, now I'm going to get this 25 followers, so I can get this 35 diamond and stuff like that. So for friends right here, you can see for every friend I invite, it's just 0.1 I'm getting for the diamonds. And for the play game, you can see they have so many games right here, so you have to start playing the games and be able to get some diamonds for yourself, guys. So now when you move over to the this section, I don't know, it's just showing the love, but it's not counting, not doing anything. I don't know, I've been clicking this. Okay, it's counting, but it's very slow. Whoa. And I guess it's unlimited. Let me keep on tapping. Let me see if it elapses. So I'm basically tapping right here on this video. I don't know if it elapses, but let's see. Let's try. I'm just tapping and tapping and tapping. I'm using 4 of my fingers to tap, and it's like it's not counting. Are you real? Okay, you guys are here now, so I'm basically tapping and you can see nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. So we basically don't know what's happening right now. So I'll be able to do more of the tapping. Let's see if the tapping works. If you go to playground, this is the most important play. They want you to play their game to be able to get this diamond. Now for here you have your friends, you have end session where I told you just now you can end. You have your airdrop session, which is one is open for our calculator result, and withdraw. I already have connected mine to Bybit. That's the one I want to use. And that's it for this video, guys. So straightforward and very easy for you to understand. So do well to join it now. Join now. Oh, what did I just change? Oh no, I want to stay on Bybit, even though I know it's not important or maybe something not good. So that's it for the video, guys. Join this trend. Join it as it's hot. So have a nice day, guys, and stay blessed.